According to U.S. Census and Bureau of Labor Statistics, 12,336 independent auto repair shops are expected to fail this year. That's more than 33 a day. And when asked, the number one reason for the failure was that they couldn't get enough car count. It's for that reason that I just released this brand new report, The Number One Secret to Marketing Your Auto Repair Shop. In that report, I expose everything you need to know to get more car count, more customer reviews, and more new customer referrals. Hey, if you don't know me, most shop owners just call me the car count fixer. I eat, sleep, and breathe car count. For the last 20 plus years, I've helped independent auto repair shop owners just like you grow their car count, income, and profits. In less than 2 minutes, you can download this brand new report. And look, there's no webinars to wait for. There's no weeks of training to go through. And best part is, you can start using all of this tomorrow. I'm Matthew, the Car Count Fixer. Can't wait to see you on the other side. Take care. Talk soon.